Welcome back to the channel. March 2026 is filled with powerful cosmic activity, including a total lunar eclipse, planetary alignments, and the arrival of the Spring Equinox. Between March 1st and March 20th, the sky offers a series of fascinating astronomical and astrological events that reflect both physical movements in space and symbolic shifts in energy. In this video, we'll explore 10 major cosmic events happening during this period and what they mean astronomically and astrologically. Let's begin our journey through the March skies. On March 2nd, the first major shift occurs when Mars moves into Pisces. Mars is the planet of action, motivation, and drive. Pisces is a water sign associated with intuition, dreams, and spiritual awareness. When these two energies combine, action becomes less about force and more about intuition and emotional direction. This transit often encourages creativity, compassion, and spiritual exploration. On March 3rd, one of the most dramatic events of the month happens, when a total lunar eclipse, also known as a blood moon, takes place. During the lunar eclipse, Earth moves directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. As sunlight filters through Earth's atmosphere, the Moon turns a deep reddish color. This eclipse will be visible across North America, Australia, New Zealand, and parts of Asia. In astrology, lunar eclipses symbolize powerful emotional releases, endings, and transformation. On March 4th, Venus forms a sextile with Uranus. Venus represents love, beauty, and relationships. Uranus represents innovation, surprises, and sudden change. This cosmic connection can bring unexpected opportunities, creative inspiration, and exciting new connections. It's often considered an excellent day for creative breakthroughs. On March 5th brings one of the most positive aspects in astrology. The Sun forms a trine with Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, abundance, and opportunity. When aligned with the Sun, it often symbolizes growth, optimism, and fortunate developments. Astronomically, Jupiter will appear especially bright in the night sky during this period. On March 6th, Venus enters the fiery sign of Aries. Aries energy is bold, courageous, and direct. When Venus moves into this sign, relationships and creativity often become more passionate, spontaneous, and adventurous. This transit encourages people to follow their hearts and take emotional risk. On March 7th brings an interesting astronomical alignment. The Sun and Mercury align closely in the sky, an event known as the inferior conjunction. Mercury is the planet of communication, learning, and perception. During this alignment, Mercury passes between the Earth and the Sun. In astrology, this moment is often associated with clarity, realizations, and new perspectives. Later that same day, Venus aligns with Neptune. Neptune is the planet associated with dreams, spirituality, imagination, and illusions. This alignment can heighten feelings of compassion, artistic inspiration, and romantic idealism. Many astrologers consider this a deeply spiritual and creative energy. On March 8th, Venus forms another powerful alignment, this time with Saturn. Saturn is the planet of discipline, responsibility, and structure. When Venus meets Saturn, the energy shifts towards serious commitments, long-term relationships, and emotional maturity. This aspect often encourages reflection on what really matters in relationships. On March 11th, another major cosmic shift happens. Jupiter ends its retrograde motion and begins moving forward again in the sky. Retrograde periods are times of reflection and internal growth. When Jupiter moves direct, it symbolizes forward momentum, expansion, and renewed opportunities. Finally, on March 20th, we reach one of the most important astronomical events of the year, the Vernal Equinox. This is the moment when day and night are nearly equal across the planet. The sun enters Aries, marking the official start of spring in the northern hemisphere. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have celebrated the equinox as a symbol of renewal, balance, and new beginnings. March 2026 brings a remarkable combination of astronomical phenomena and astrological symbolism. From the powerful blood moon eclipse to the arrival of the spring equinox, the sky offers many moments to pause, observe, and reflect on our place in the universe. If you enjoy learning about cosmic events like these, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who love astronomy and astrology. And keep looking up.